Before starting this video, I want to thank you guys so much because the video which I uploaded just before this video, a vlog where I got so much huge responses, and I got so much huge responses in personal also. Everyone text me in WhatsApp that you're doing so good, you're just killing it, just try more, try differently. I hope I hope that I will do my best, and I want to tell you guys that there are so many excitement videos are coming on the way. So if you did not, if you did not subscribe my channel, then go subscribe, hit the bell icon, like my videos, share my videos, and don't ever forget to comment down so that I can interact with you. And don't ever forget to follow me in my Instagram, so you can just go and follow me over there, and we will have a chit chat. And I am so grateful for what I'm doing and what I have. Thank you so much guys, it means a lot to me. Thank you for motivating me. Thank you so much guys. And hi you guys, my name is Ganita and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you guys are doing good and I'm doing good too. Video I am going to explain and recommend you guys few products from Wow company, and if you're interested then keep on watching, and without any more delay let's dive into the video. So guys, I have 4 products which I brought from Wow, so I'm going to explain it one by one. First product from the Wow is, so this is an essential oil, and this essential oil is peppermint flavor. This is so good you guys. I have been using this essential oil since 6 months. From 6 months I am using this, and this is so useful for me. I have been using this oil for various use. So the first is I use this with my hair oiling, as I said. So I will take 5 teaspoons of coconut oil and I use this with this filler, just one drop of oil. It's more than enough, or you can use 2 drop of oil, but not more than that because it will irritate your eyes and it will irritate you because it is so heavy you guys. This is essential oil are meant for just 1 or 2 drops, not more than that. It will start irritates you. So the second is, as I said, I use it for my manicure and pedicure. You can take an hot water, like in a tub you can take an hot water, like hot or warm water, and you can use this 1 drop or 2 drop and keep your leg, and you can feel that you will release this stress. If you are stressed, just do this, you will feel very much relief. So it will help you guys for taking off your stress. And the third one, as I said, I use this for my sleeping. I know this is something weird, but I feel comfortable. What I will do, I will take this 1 drop or 2 drop, I will put it in my hand, I will rub it and I will tap it in the pillow cover, and I will sleep on that. Just 1 drop or 2 drop, not more than that. If you use more than that, you will end up like not sleeping for the whole night. It will start irritate you. So it is more than enough for you using 1 or 2 drops. So I will sleep on it and it will feel like I have relieved from my stress, because this is a stress reliever for me basically. So I can't live without this essential oil. I will suggest you guys to try more essential oils, because essential oils are meant for various use. So you can go and buy any of the essential oil. There are so many variant of essential oils in the market. If you guys want me to do a dedicated video of every essential oils and their uses, then I will do. Just comment down below that what I have to do. And another more thing, peppermint essential oil is also meant for your hair. You can just apply it on your hair. You can't apply each and every essential oil in your hair. Just google it once, or you can just go through the videos. Many of the influencers have done this, so just check it out and use it guys. Don't be in a hurry. If you are talking about the price, its actual price is for $4.99. Huge sale was going on Wow, so I got this for around 159 something. So yeah, it's worthy and it's good guys. I will recommend you guys to buy this. Not only in this flavor, you can buy in any flavor which you like. Just go try it, give it a try, you will not regret it. So the second most favorite product is, so this is the Wow body wash, and this is in the flavor lemon, cucumber and aloe vera foaming body wash with shea butter and vitamin E. So This is good, you guys. This is my one of my favorite body wash, and this is my first body wash. I have been using this for more than 6 months. I am in love with this. This body wash is so mild and it is so refresh. After using this, you can feel the refreshment and like fresh. You can feel fresh, you can feel active, and you can feel happy after using this body wash. It smells divine. It does not have a hard fragrance, but it does have a light mild fragrance. It is so good, you guys. Give it a try. There are so many variants in Wow body washes, but I have tried this. I will be trying more and more variant from them and from various companies. So I'll suggest you guys in future if I have tried something else, but currently this is my favorite and it's so mild. What you have to do is you should take that fully like sponge which we use to wash, right, our body. So you can take that sponge and you can just add 1 or 2 drops of this and you can just wet it in the water. Scrub your whole body, okay, that's it, not more than that. Don't use this body wash more, just little bit, so that you can get rid of it with a few waters. Just don't use more and don't end up wasting waters. So this is a good product from them. I love this product. I will be purchasing it again, or I'll be purchasing some other variant, but I love this. Even now I have this much. It is not even finished till now. It has been 6 months I have been using this. This is so good, you guys. You have to try this. And I have reviewed this product in my Instagram handle. I will link it down below, so you can go and check it out, so you can get some more information from about this product. And I will recommend you guys to buy this. Its original price is $299 and I bought it for around $149 something. That's it, not more than that, because it was an offer. I brought every products from them from an offer. So just go and buy this. It is so good, you guys, and I will recommend you guys this product definitely. Third product is, so this is a body butter from Wow. I know basically we don't use this body butters and body lotions during summers, but in winter you do need this, okay. I will tell you why, okay. So basically I was in Bangalore till December, and you guys know that Bangalore is meant for its climate. It is so cool, you guys. So my skin used to get so dry. So it used to get so dry in my knee, in my elbows and in my knees. So I thought I have to use this at that time, and this saved my life so much, you guys, because it won't get used in summers, because we don't get dry in summers. And I am in Chennai right now, so I don't think so I don't get dry in Chennai for my entire life if I'm here. So yeah guys, this is so good, and this is in the flavor raw argan oil body butter. This smells so divine, but if someone don't like fragrance, they will hate this product. Just take it a little bit and apply in your elbows and apply in your knees. It is going to keep your knees and your elbows moisturized till the end, till you wash it, because it's not going to get rid of your skin. So this is so good, you guys. I will recommend you guys this product. There are so many variants. I just bought argan oil body butter, so you can also try many more variant. There are so many variants involved body butters, so you can go and give it a try if you want. And I'll suggest you guys to use this body butters in winters only. If you're comfortable to wear this during summers, it's okay. If you're not, then just be comfortable to use in winters. It will help you guys a lot. Its original price is $499 and I got it around $299. I exactly know this rate. I got it for $299 and it's worth it. Just give it a try. Body butters are meant for us, and it is meant for winters. I don't suggest you guys for summers. Basically I don't use anything during summers because I am currently living in Chennai. So I don't use anything for my body during summers. The fourth and the last product from this haul is, this is the Wow mask, hair mask. Basically it is an hair mask with rosemary extract and a tea tree essential oil for anti-dandruff. So I have seen a miracle change from this hair mask, because I have so much of dandruff, guys. I don't hydrate so much, so I have dandruff issues, and this hair mask helped me to get rid of my dandruff. What you have to do, okay, first you have to wash your hair with shampoo, and then you have to use this mask in your scalp, and this is the mask for your scalp. not for your hair. Dandruff is in your scalp, so you can use this mask for your hair, and you can use a conditioner, good conditioner for your lens according to your problem, basic problems like frizzy or like curly. Okay, so finished it. Okay, see, look, I literally finished it, and it does smell till now, guys. Yeah, it does smell till now. I have finished this when I was in Bangalore, like December. I can feel it. So I will suggest you guys this product so much. If you guys have dandruff, then first do hydrate, do drink lots of water, and you can also try this product, and this is so affordable. It is around, its original rate is 575, and you can get, I got it for 199. I do remember it. It is just for 199. There will be so many offers going on in WOW, so you can go and just wait and buy your product. Just add everything to your cart and just keep on checking that when its price goes down, you can just go and grab it. I'll suggest you guys this hair mask. Because I am in love with this. I have to repurchase it after this COVID gets over, or I'm thinking that I can repurchase some other mask and I will try and I'll tell you guys. But this is an hit, so you guys can buy this. You can go and buy this. You can try it for yourself and see the result. Guys, that's it for today's video. I hope you guys enjoyed this and it little bit helped it. This 4 products and or hit, and I love these 4 products, and I will recommend you guys to try this. And one thing, and it's important, is these 4 products have worked for me. I don't know that it will work for you or not. Always you have to try out many of the products in market, so that you can figure out what product works for you and what does not work for you. So don't blame any creators in YouTube that they are faking, they are telling lies. No, because it does really work for us. So we are telling you guys because it does really work for us. Okay, we are just suggesting you guys and we are recommending. Okay, it does not mean that it will work for you guys, because we are not dermatologists. So I'll meet you guys in my next upcoming video. Until then, stay positive, stay happy, and stay safe with your loved one, and more power from me to you guys. Bye.